Hello and welcome. DP Kids is here with yet another origami creation. So I hope you're all ready with pieces of paper and anything else that we might need. So today I'm going to make something different like last time. So we'll need 4 pieces of paper. I'll show you what to do with one piece of paper because all others have to be folded in the same way. So I have taken a square piece of paper. Now in the early days we made a box, remember, using origami? So it's something similar to that. So make it with me, then it'll remind you how to make it. So if you want, you can pause this video, go back to that old video, watch how the box is made so you can easily follow with this creation. Now fold it in half so that you get a triangle. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, open it up, and then these 4 corners need to come and meet at the center. This is called what? Do you remember now? It's called Jabuto Mori. Remember? Folding like an envelope. Now it's complete. The folding is complete according to Jabuto Mori. Now fold it in half where the edge, the lower edge, comes and meets the middle line. Do the same thing on the other side. That edge comes and meets the middle line. Now this edge comes and meets the middle edge too. Do the same thing on the other side, and now open it up. Now open up these 2 flaps. Now see what we are going to do next. Can you see these 2 lines? So now fold it in completely along that line. Then these 2 places you have to push it in, right? Push it in. Bring that upper corner down and push it in like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold it in, fold the 2 sides in. While doing that, we bring that other part, the part that is sticking out, push it in like this so that we have a little box shape. Now you can use some glue and paste the little flaps on the inside so that they won't move around. Now what we are going to do next is take one corner, take one side, right? And while pushing it in, we have to push it in a bit, and then while doing that, we have to make 2 little triangles on either side. Now see, there's a little heart shape also emerging now. Now press down on those two little pieces that make the heart shape. Now we have to have 3 more of these, and then we are going to paste them to these sides. We are going to add some glue to this side and then paste it. Now to save time, I have made 3 already, and we are going to paste the last piece into this already created one. And then put it in and paste it. This is a table organizer. So I'm going to put a little ribbon here, which was already there before I pasted this last part. So you can lift it up anything you want. So I'm putting my paper clips and other erasers and things like that into it. You can keep something like this on your table and get whatever you want quickly without any issue. So isn't it very pretty? It's a heart-shaped table organizer. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do try and make it using thicker pieces of paper, which can make it extend its life. So we'll be making more and more of these, and so watch our YouTube videos without fail. Like and comment. Then we'll see you soon. Goodbye.